Welcome, and I'm going to show you how to download your backup or your data on TikTok. So like I did the previous video, you need to actually request your TikTok app. So you come to your settings area, settings and privacy, and you click on account, wait for that to load up. Then you are going to notice where it says download your data. Right here, you click on that. So the first thing you need to do is to request for your data. Now, if you do not see this option, probably you already requested and it's loading. So you see an option to request for your data, you request. But before you request, click on this area to make sure that you are actually selecting or downloading all of your data. But if you want custom data, you can click on custom and then you choose what you want, probably messages, profile, photos, activity, or only messages. You can download only this one, or probably the activities and the messaging without downloading your post and your profile. Now also you can click on this to select the one you want, whether JSON or text file. I want mine to be in text file, that way it's easy to download. So once you click on request, it is going to take, let's say, for 24 hours or 72 hours, depending on how large your file are. They are going to be compressed and sent to you. Now if your file is ready, you are going to see it under this download data or this download data area. Now you click on download. Now when you click on download, this is going to prompt you a verification section where you verify your ID or your identity. Now you go to your email account, you copy the verification code that has been sent to your email account, and then you come right to your email, you come right to your TikTok, and then you paste it. After you paste this, it's going to bring you to this area where it is going to have your data. So from there you can now download it. I already have mine downloaded. The reason why it's showing this way is because I have downloaded it. So once it brings you to this next tab, it is going to show you download option, and then you download it. But I already done this process, so I do not want to follow through. So after that, let me click on this to disable notification. This is actually my TikTok data. You can currently see that it's actually zipped. So if it's zipped, you need to go over to your file explorer or your files, and then you try to look for your downloads. So first I am going to go to my internal area and then go to downloads. Should be under downloads. But also if you are skeptical, most times it can show you the exact area where it has that download, but it's not showing right there. Okay, don't worry, I might come back for it. That's if I get too confused. So first go over to downloads, try to look for a zip file. Now this is a zip file, this is another one, and this is TikTok, and you can see this is actually downloaded today, 11th of December. Today is also 11th of December, you can see that. So this is the data we are looking for. You click on it and then you can see the TikTok file. Now you click on extract. Now these are already extracted. Now if I click on this, you can see every information, but then I do not want this information to be right here. I am going to click and hold, and then I'm going to move this somewhere else that I can easily go through it. I'm going to put it on my storage, move here. Now it just moved to my storage. Now this is a TikTok folder. You can double click on it or you click one. Now if I click on this area, it is going to show me all of my activity. This is my watch history, this is my status, this is my share history, this is my search history, this is my purchase, although I have not done any of that, and all this. If I scroll down, you can see everything, but then you can click on it. And do not forget, it's actually in text file, so when you open it, it's going to open as a text. So you will have to zoom in. You have to zoom in because you might not see everything. Now you can see these are the videos I've watched. So in order for me to confirm which video this is, I have to highlight it like so, and then copy. Sorry, I am using a mouse, so oh, come on. I wanted to highlight and copy, but hold on. Don't worry, guys. Using a mouse is actually something else. Okay, let me see. Highlight. Open. So what happened is on the mouse it is not going to give you the same functionality as PC. So this is the last video. I can't remember watching this video, but it's fine. That is one of the video that I've watched, and you can clearly see the video is trying to play. Alright, I was trying to confirm if that was actually the video I watched, and indeed, yes, that is actually the video I watched. So that is actually a video I watched, so it is correct. So my watch history is correct. Also pay attention, this is the first time I'm actually doing this, so that's the reason why I am taking my time to do that. And then I was actually wondering my posts, if it's going to actually show the video I post, and also how is it going to show that also in link. Okay, I was thinking maybe it is going to put the media. Since it's a video I uploaded, it's just supposed to show me a way to actually download it, but then this is actually how it displays. Let me see. Okay, this is the link, right? Okay, I actually want to see if I will be able to get this video and if it's going to be really my video. So let me see. Let me see if it's going to give me the right video that I uploaded, or if it's going to show me. Okay, yeah, that is my video. This is definitely my video, and it's actually opened in a way that I can easily download because they have this option to download. So yes, this is clearly my video. I uploaded that particular video. So yes guys, you can actually get your data from TikTok, and I confirm that all of that is accurate. And also, what exactly did they show on my settings? Okay, my followers I'm following. Oh, that is interesting. Let me see how it's going to display my followers I'm following. I don't have many followers, so obviously. Okay, the name of the username. Oh, it displays their username. Can I actually get these people's detail? Let me see if I can actually search these people's username on. Oh, let me see. Maybe I can search them on Google. I am not sure if it's going to work on Google. Okay, they are not displaying on Google. But then even though they are not displaying on Google, I think I can still find them. I think I can still find them by visiting their. This is tricky when trying to zoom in on mobile, especially with the mouse. So I am trying to highlight. Damn it, stop doing that. Okay. Copy. So I think I can actually find this name on TikTok itself. A funny thing, I actually don't know their faces, but if it gives me the results of one person, then
Jeremiah 29,
then it is accurate. But if it displayed multiple people, then it is inaccurate. Okay, I think this is accurate because this is the person displaying. So yeah, and there are other people totally different, but you can clearly see that this is the username. You can confirm that that was the username I copied. So yes, it is correct. So guys, this is actually how to download your data from TikTok and also how to access your data. So I hope this video is helpful. Smash like if it helped. I will see you guys on the next one. Stay safe and peace. And you can also see that the person is following me, so this is accurate. See you guys on the next one. Peace.